Hello, it's Josh, Dream Body Clinic, here with my son Baron. And today we're going to be showing you some of the different exercises post-treatment. This one specifically is going to be for the ankle treatment. So our exercises are very simple. Look, after you do stem cell therapy, especially for the ankle or for the foot, you want to take the first 2 weeks light, no major activity, no exercise, not going crazy with it, because we want the stem cells to focus on what's injured, not on like some new injury or inflammation if you're running or exercising too hard. Then after those 2 weeks of taking it light, which normal day-to-day walking, that's all fine. Then 4 weeks of light rehab. And we want you to do these exercises every day. You can do them in the morning and evening, or just in the morning or just in the evening. Listen to your body, right? Like, don't take it too hard. But for 4 weeks, doing these exercises will really help. I mean, there's so many studies that show that physical rehab helps people heal faster. And so that's why we're doing this. So first exercise, Baron, forget the ball. Come here. All right. And I brought Baron so I can show you, because I figure if I can explain this to an 11-year-old, anyone can understand it. Because look at him. He can't even sit still. Okay, so exercise number 1. We're going to go against the wall, one foot in front of the other, right? Yeah. And then put some pressure there. So you're feeling it through the calf, right? Yeah. All right. And then, yeah, when you kind of lean forward more, you're feeling more. Baron, stand up more though. Come on, we don't want to put too much pressure. We don't want to hurt it. We just want to feel that burn in the back of the calf, the Achilles tendon. We get a lot of people with Achilles tendon issues, so that's going to help that. So do each foot for, I think it's about 10 seconds. You don't have to go very long. Really, it says for 5 seconds. I'd go for 10, just feel it, right? This is really easy. If you kind of lean forward, you're going to feel it in different parts of the ankle. So just kind of adjust, do that. Now, the next, go get those golf balls, quick. So this next exercise is a real simple one where you're just going to roll. We only need one. That's fine. Well, good. So you can either use a foam roller, or in this case, we've got a couple of golf balls, right? So you're going to put the golf ball down, and, I don't have a chair here, but a lot of people would just do this seated, and you're going to roll it back and forth. Really just feel the ankle there and try to isolate the ankle. And you can just feel that, like with the ball. It does feel good too on the bottom of the foot, especially if you came for the plantar fasciitis treatment. This is the best exercise. So just roll it back and forth, switch feet, go for a few seconds, a minute, whatever feels comfortable. Again, these are really easy stretches. This is not like rocket science, all right? Now, for the third one, we're each going to grab a towel here. Grab a towel.
Are you able to do 2 feet at the same time? Because I would like to do this.
You could do both feet. I mean, this is what I mean. It's do it as you feel comfortable. So now fold this up so it's skinnier. This is kind of a bigger towel, right? Because what we're going to do now, sit down, Baron.
Wait,
Sit down. Come
it's
on.
gonna fall into the cup.
It's okay. It's not going to fall
Right.
anywhere. Just sit down. Sit down, please. All right. So now we're going to stretch. We're going to, a towel or stretching band to pull your foot. Grip the towel with both hands and push against it with your foot. So, Baron, you're going to grab it like this, pull it there near the end of the foot. So you can then pull and release, work the calf, work the foot, go back and forth. There you go. Now push and pull. No, come on, Baron, like this. You don't have to extend your foot all the way if you don't want to. It is good to extend all the way if you can. Not everyone's that flexible, so feel free to bend the knee. But you just push and pull back. I mean, this is really easy. Do it as many times as you feel comfortable. I would do at least 10 back and forth, more if you really want to stretch it out. All right, so that's number 3. Now, number 4. Now we're going to do heel raises. So we're going to stand back up, and we're going to put one foot in front of the other, and you're going to raise on your toes. Yeah, raise. You can even raise on both of them.
You
It's
can
better just to focus on the back foot, Baron. Just keep this one flat. Yeah, there. Go up and down. You can also do this on a chair. We just happen to have a wall here, so it's easier. It's really simple, just heel raises. I mean, again, we're working the Achilles tendon, the back of the foot. So now we're gonna work the whole ankle. So get your foot in the one foot in the air, Baron. Look at me. So if you watch our right feet, we're gonna do circles. Try to get that full range of motion. Stretch the foot out all the way around. Go back the other way. Do 5 in each direction. You'll start to feel it. I mean, most people don't even think to do this, but do a full circle with your foot, then circle back the other way. Oh, keep your leg locked, just with the ankle, Baron. See, he's moving his whole leg. We want to just keep the leg in place and just move the foot. All right, now for number 6, this is the last one.
Wait.
So you can either do this on the ground or you can raise your foot. It's easier on the ground. So Baron, come on, look at me. So our foot's flat right now. I'm going to angle it to the right and put some pressure, not too much, let it go. And I'm going to angle back the other way and put some pressure. So we're just going back and forth about, 5 seconds each way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now switch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then do the other foot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now this is all on the sheet we gave you. These are really simple beginner type exercises, right? This is not very tough stuff. Feel free to go more advanced. You go on YouTube, there's tons of things. If you can get a real physical therapist, that's always the best. But these are easy exercises to do at home to help you heal faster. Again, studies show you do these sort of exercises, you will heal faster. The stem cells are doing their job. They're in there, they're seeking inflammation and damage. They're first getting rid of any scar tissue, holding up the repair. And then they're starting to guide that healing. They're regenerating the tissue, fixing it, new tissue so that this can be a long-term fix. We've seen Achilles tendons that are partially torn heal. We've seen other ligaments and tendons heal. We've seen arthritis where the cartilage is degenerating, grow back. So all kinds of different things, even some nerve pain and stuff. So treatment's easy. All the information is on the website at www.dreambody.clinic. Take a look there. Call us with any questions at 888-704-3977. I'm Josh. Happy to help.